up, y'all? Here at SHOT Show, looking at the CAA MCK. This is the Gen 3, I believe. Super dope. Open up top, so you can use the actual. Okay, these are gummies, but you can actually rack it this way, and or they have a charging handle that you can connect to the back that comes out either side. Pretty much everything with these is ambidextrous, which is pretty cool. You got thumb rests on either side, which is super dope. Riser, so you can actually get your eye right where you want it to be. Because the way that they have a built-in riser for your eye relief, spare mag. Very nasty. So, I have a number of these, and I absolutely love them. So, CAA MCK, they make models for these in virtually any handgun that you have anywhere in your life. So we all have, a pistol that could use. That we haven't done anything with, or it needs to be upgraded, or whatever it is. Dude, grab one of these, turn it into a more stable platform, and have some fun with that gun you probably haven't shot for a really long time. CAA MCK, super dope. Oh, I think I know that guy. Yo, getting the love from CAA MCK out here. Woo. That's cool. Boom! It's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there, and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.